Hi, and welcome to MSBA 6320, Data Management, Databases, and Data Warehousing. My name is Vedran Lelas, and I'm the instructor for this class. This is the first in a series of video-based lessons that will introduce the class by going over its main elements, from course objectives and expectations to grade breakdown and academic integrity. Whether we are consciously aware of it or not, databases are everywhere in today's technologically advanced societies. And although most MSBA graduates do not go out to become professional database developers, it is important to know the basics so you can better communicate with database administrators and programmers and develop further some of the important life skills such as patience, perseverance, and grit. Hopefully, there will be days when you'll even have some fun with it. The major objective of this class is to teach you basic relational database and data warehousing concepts that will allow you to build some simple transactional and dimensional data models and gain practical experience with a specific database management system such as MySQL for database implementation. In the process of doing so, you will develop appreciation for professional database designers, developers, and administrators, and be able to understand, through personal experience, some of the challenges they face when developing production-grade systems. You're expected to spend 10 or so hours per week, roughly 1 to 2 hours per day. You should start by reviewing the concepts in PowerPoints and videos, participate in evening live hour sessions, and work on assigned quizzes and homeworks. You can also expect to get a lot of assistance during live hours and one-on-one help throughout each week. This is an extremely hands-on class with heavy computer use, emphasizing learning how to work with databases by doing it. Most of the database examples will come from the textbooks, which are optional but highly recommended. We will spend all of the live hours working through the problems from these books, sitting at a computer, and working with a variety of software tools. Although the class is not graded on the curve, I will make occasional borderline grade adjustments in your favor. Please remember that the grade of C is defined as meeting all course expectations. To get an A, you have to be able to demonstrate exceptional skill by solving more difficult database problems on both assignments and exams. After watching each video lesson, you will need to complete a relatively quick multiple choice assessment quiz, preferably before dialing into the live hours. Then there will be our problem-solving homework assignments, worth more than assessment quizzes but less than the case, midterm, and the final exam. A portion of the live hours will be spent working on and getting help with homework assignments, as well as reviewing and preparing for the exams. Assessments are designed to quiz you on what you learned by working through the optional chapters and video lessons. There will be 10 of those worth 10 points or 1 point each, where 1 point is 1% of your grade. All the assessments are single attempt with immediate feedback, and you will have about a week to complete each of them, so please take them seriously. They are relatively small but significant part of your grade. Homework assignments are at the heart of the learning process. They consist of a number of chapter problems from easier to more difficult ones and are the key to development of our main course objective, which is applying basic database and data warehousing concepts on simple relational databases and data warehouses. There are 8 assignments worth 25 points, or about 3 points each, which is significantly more than assessments but less than the case and the exams. The case, worth 5 points, will be an open-ended project for which the groups are going to have to use their database and data warehousing knowledge and skills to design and implement a solution that will add value to the organization of your choice. The primary objective of an exam is to measure the understanding of database concepts and skills learned in class, and students are expected to work through the exam completely on their own. Unlike assessments and homework assignments, where discussion and collaboration is encouraged, exams are exclusively a product of your own work. The 3 exams are worth 60 points, 20 points each, and must be completed during scheduled exam weeks. See syllabus and Canvas. Getting help. Start by emailing me, engage in the evening live hours, and check the discussion board on Canvas for any relevant posts by other students with similar plot problems. Make sure to copy paste your script or diagram and any error messages you're getting when emailing me or posting to the board. If you allow me to see your computer in an interactive session, we may be able to solve these problems during evening live hours. If the problem is not resolved through email, during live hours, on the discussion board, or by collaborating with your classmates, we can arrange to meet in person. For any technical, especially hardware-related issues, please contact tech support, since I'm not equipped to deal with these problems. This is a basic to intermediate database and data warehousing class. If you put in the required work, you will do well. The key to earning a good grade is going through the videos, participating in live hours, completing assessments and assignments, as well as the group project on time, and getting ready for exams by practicing extensively. If you need help, you will have to ask. Ask me, ask your fellow students for help. Finally, do your work with integrity and honesty. It will benefit you immensely in your future.